We wanted adventure. We got it. Packing up for another adventure. We are finally going to Furano. And this is the fun part of the trip. It's been fun, but this is the highlight.
What?
No?
No, it's not, well, maybe for you.
Highlight for my trip. I mean, I love looking at cars, but being in nature, being in the snow, being active is what I look forward to now in my later years in life. Let's get out of here. This is their key card here. It's made out of wood. And it's so interesting. This is the one that bounces. It's the lowriders from last night. So cool. We are getting out of here. The last time we were here in Furano was when right before the lockdown happened, so it was January 2020.
Astro, no. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that in.
This is Anthony. Anthony's joining us. We are loading the van. Javi's finally here. And wow, I'm freezing.
Oh, I love the cold. It's so freezing. You can see here.
Oh my god, censored. So sad news, our van driver said
Last few days.
was the warmest here in Sapporo, but it's getting colder, so
No!
we're almost there, but that's not good. If you break, that's gonna go into someone's head.
I'm not the one sitting there, so...
It was kinda lounge, didn't know which way to turn. Flow was cool, but I still felt burned. Energy up, you can feel my surge. I'm everything like this purge. Let's just get this straight.
There's more snow coming.
Welcome to Furano Lofts. This is the chalet. Our gracious host Leon.
Hi.
Welcome to Furano Lofts. It's been a while since we've been here. So beautiful. Welcome. This is the living area, and we've actually unloaded our suitcases. Some of them have been put in storage, some of them have been brought outside. There's a room downstairs which Tita Esty and Tita Peter are taking. This is the room I stayed in last time. We are unpacking everything. And our beautiful bathroom for the next 10 days, 11 days. And then moving up where Stu, Javi, and Anthony will be. This is the boom boom room. Anthony's nice and solo here. Nice little loft to hang out here. And then the bathroom that they'll be sharing. Dinner time!
That looks so good.
This is like black ice.
And I'ma work, even if I don't get paid for progression. I'ma get it. Everything that I do is electric. I'ma keep it in motion, keep it moving like kinetic. Put it in a frame, better know I don't blame everything that I say. Man, I seen you deflate. Let me elevate. This ain't a prank. Have you walking on a plane? Both hands together, God, let me pray. I've been going right around.
So now we have to make a box for the grocery items. It's so helpful here.
So sis, top shelf, is you okay?
We're top shelf.
Yeah, your top shelf. I'm putting you there.
It's been a hectic day. I hope you guys
Okay, guys.
enjoy this travel vlog.
This is Angie King and Dover. We're here in Furano. Over now. Bye.
Peace. No.
How you feeling, huh? Cold?
Feeling
crisp.
good.
Yeah.
Like I should.
Broken snow, so thank you.
Oh, I know. Thank God it's snowing.
Yeah.
Javi's first snowboard boots. Yeah. You want to wiggle sorta and pull? Yeah.
Alright, shove that in there.
It's his first time, so we're documenting for him.
His first time, like, when he's got to skate, it would just be limbs everywhere.
Butt slide.
Yeah. Do you want a butt pad?
I told him you can get the turtle.
Oh, I know. Okay, stand up for us. Go for a little walk and we'll see how they feel.
Yeah, it shouldn't hurt at all.
No.
Alright. He's not going to be doing that later.
Giving him a basic education on getting in and out of the board so that he's not struggling. Obviously, one of the first things we're teaching him is how to brake and how to fall, which is very important. Okay, direction where you want to go. Good, and then stop.
And I don't have to worry about the people coming down behind, no?
I mean, maybe one day someone will take you out, but that's part of the learning. Yeah. Thank you to Insta360 for the Insta360 X3. We're capturing Javi's maiden voyage.
First hour on the slopes.
Brake, brake, brake. Yes. Don't mind me. Shins, lean on your shins. Don't lean on your shins. We're actually bringing Javi all the way up.
All the way up.
All the way up.
Off the steep end.
Yeah. Just gonna throw him over.
Pretty impressed so far. Javi's already riding comfortably on the heel side and a little on the toe side. So we're quite curious to see him go down the mountain. At least now he has more time to actually ride on each side. Hopefully he doesn't fall off on his first time.
Quickest learner I've seen yet, though.
Yeah, absorbed real quick.
Let's go to this shit be like Friday nights. This shit made me feel alive. I feel like we in paradise. Paradise. Don't know if it's a drink I pour, but I swear I've never loved you more. Make you right here, I come alive. One more hit and we can fly. This shit feel like I'm feeling it, my head's where the ceiling is. This energy turns nice into memory. Count up the bands he been working all summer. Ex didn't know what he had with a bummer. Insecure people turn to insecure lovers. But my drink is almost out and I'm about to pour another. Just let it out. The night has just begun, we on a level now. If I get too fucked up, promise you'll hold me down. Yeah, this that shit you can't deny. This that shit you feel inside. It's our life, our time, we living well. Late nights in the city causing hell.
You okay?
Guys, what happened? No?
What happened?
I collided with here.
Oh shit.
Balls hanging low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a party, that's a no.
Just pop the Kenny about a million options. So just talking to stop doing agreement. I rock arenas, bringing the peace. I'm bumping that park in the car, pretending I got all the eyes on me. Got a bad baby and she's independent. Too many people older than me, they're seeking attention. When they want me about the goofies, man, I should've listened. And the smell of the money, my strangest addiction.
She tit for dick, I let her lit, I had to dip. I'm on for fifth, I'm rich now. I bought a whip, I paint a paint, it drive itself. The fuck you think? Yeah, I'm rich now. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, add 'em on me. Yeah, feel so hot like I'm chilling on the beach. Yeah, baby in the sun like the Teletubbies. Balls hanging low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me and she happy with the grow. Never ever fall for a thotty, that's a no.
I've been in the clubbing, taking shots. If you got your mask off in the photo, you getting crap. Hopping out the function. The CVS is like a block away. Bought a moisturizer, my ice cold is dry on my face. Don't need that VVS, my ice is fake. Your life is fake. I choose to do it for my pocket's sake. You're basing your opinions on what the major says. I renovate the bad energy I erase.
Yeah, I don't really ever wanna top. Only really ever wanna top. Guess I'm going back to the side. At least this money never really stops. Hey, little mama, yeah, you heard about me. I'ma pop you like a pea, yeah, at a mommy. Yeah, feel so hot like I'm chilling on the beach. Yeah, baby in the sun like the Teletubbies. Balls hanging low while I pop a bottle off of your chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always after Guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot.
That was intense. That's the furthest we've gone. Whoa. 180 beats per minute. Oh, so good.
Oh, that was nice warm
So
up.
tired.
Oh, that was our first one for the day. We're warmed up.
Super warmed up.
That was so nice.
My heart's gone crazy.
That wasn't as crazy as the one the other day.
It's a nice run though.
That was a nice run. I like that.
I was like, I'm not gonna make it. I'm gonna hit something.
No, you made it.
The two side edge was like, oh my god, I'm dying.
That has the switch, but it's downhill.
Same. We're up there. We're just going through there. Damn it! Oh! I'm stuck.
Oh my god. Come on. Alright. We wanted adventure. We got it.
Too much adventure.
Too much. Oh.